So welcome to the next part of Google Ads. So before we jump to any other part of Google Ads, here it is very important to understand how does Google Ads work. As we know, Google Ads work on the basis of pay-per-click advertising model. In Google Ads, anyone can register for free of cost and design various forms of advertisement to be shown in the search engines or on various websites. Now the very important question here, if you will make the payment to the Google, will your ad appear in search engine or on any website with 100% surety? The answer is big no, because the money is not the only criteria of showing your ads on search engines or on various websites. So actually, there is a complete process behind this entire story of showing or not showing your ads on different platforms. And as a successful marketer, we have to understand that process properly. So let us try for that. Actually, Google Ads works on the basis of auction or bidding model. Every time you search on Google by using various keywords, in the background, Google initiates the auction process. Within few seconds, out of various advertisements submitted to the Google Ads by the advertisers, Google comes out with the winner or winners and their ads are shown in a result page. But the question is, how the winner is decided? The winners are chosen based on the combination of factors, including the quality and relevance of their keywords, quality of ads, and size of their keyword bids, and of course the bid amount set by the advertisers. More specifically, the winner is decided on the basis of ad rank, a metric calculated by multiplying the two factors, that is maximum CPC bid and the quality score. Now what is CPC bid and quality score? Let me explain them. CPC bid. This is the maximum amount an advertiser is willing to pay to the Google if someone clicks on their ads. That means there are many advertisers who set their own bid amount, and their bid amount will also vary as advertisers don't know each other's bid amount. Suppose for one click on my ad, I am ready to pay up to Rs 10. This is my maximum CPC, but it doesn't mean that for one click I will be charged Rs 10. This is the maximum amount. Usually I will be charged less than that. Then for how much I will be charged? Let me explain it in a while. Next we have the quality score. The quality score for an ad is calculated by taking into account click-through rate, relevance of keywords, and landing page quality. Let me explain these terms briefly. First we have click-through rate. Click-through rate is expected number of clicks which an ad will click. Google predicts it by using its own algorithm. Relevance of keywords. Relevance of keyword is how relevant the pool of keyword is with respect to the content of your advertisement. A pool of keyword is set during the process of campaign designing. That simply means trigger my ad if someone search for these keywords. We will discuss about it in detail. Landing page quality. Landing page quality is measured on the basis of relevant content and the clear call to action and other parameters. For better understanding of this entire process, let us look at this example. There are 4 advertisers for a particular keyword. Keyword here means that their ad should be included in the auction process if someone search for this very keyword. Their maximum bids are like this one. The first advertiser would like to pay Rs 2, followed by second, third and fourth advertisers. Their bidding amounts are not known to each other. When someone will search for keyword for which they have made a bid, the auction process will start. First, Google will calculate the quality score of each advertisement based on the parameters like relevance of keywords, quality of landing pages, and the expected click-through rate. The quality score of first advertisement is 10, followed by second, third, and fourth advertisement. On the basis of these two parameters, ad ranks will be calculated by multiplying these two parameters, that is maximum CPC bid and the quality score. It is 20 for first ad, 16 for second, 12 for third and 8 for fourth ad. Now things are very clear. Who are winners? If Google want to show 3 advertisements against a particular keyword, then the advertiser number 1, 2 and 3 will be declared as winner, and their advertisement will be shown in the search engine results in the order of their ad rank. The advertisement of fourth advertiser will not be shown, even he has made the highest bid in this case. This is the beauty of Google Ads. Now, there is an important question. For how much the first advertiser will be charged? Will it be the amount equal to maximum bid or less than that? One thing is very clear, that they will not be charged with the maximum bid amount. They will be definitely charged with the amount that is less than their maximum bid amount. But how this amount will be calculated? Let me show how Google makes these calculations. The formula to calculate the price per click is very simple. The ad rank of a person below you divided by your quality score plus some margin of Google. By applying this formula, the first advertiser will pay 1.61, the second advertiser will pay 3.01 and the third advertiser will pay 4.01 rupees. Note one thing here. If your ad quality score is better, you can further reduce the actual CPC. So this was the simple arithmetic. How does Google Ads work? How ads are selected? And finally, how the CPC is calculated. Remember one thing, the quality of your ad matters a lot in this entire process. There are few guidelines issued by the Google in this regard, and we will discuss those guidelines in the subsequent modules.